very cool place with the very vintage cars. That's the private collection and it's impressive. I will show you guys, check this out.
So we just arrived in one place where there are so many classic cars. We will see later on how it is, and also the inside there is a restaurant.
So
wow.
Coffee for sure. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're gonna have a small lunch here, but I really wanna show you guys around this place. It's so amazing collection of vintage cars. It's just you have to see this. If you are interested about the cars, especially the old cars, for sure you will like it. This collection is really amazing, and it's not many places, even in Europe or in States, where you can find a collection like this. Check this out, guys. Some of the cars, they are restored and really in the mint condition, like this Bel Air. It's really amazing. And some cars are not in the mint condition, but they are super cool, like this Oldsmobile. Check this out, guys. Sorry, I will don't talk maybe too much, but you have to see this car collection. It's really impressive. You ever played the Crazy Taxi game when you was a young kid? Here we go. the collection of the metal signs. They look pretty original. Let's see. Some bicycles. Petrol distribution. Another petrol distribution. This is real wood. Vintage radios. It's so cool. I think this is most of the things are coming from US, but I wasn't really expecting to see this in Indonesia and Bali. So cool. These cars look familiar from UK, but anyway, impressive.
Alright, they also have this small version of the car.
Yeah, the models. Anyway, check this out. Here. All this is the warehouse where they store the cars. It's quite a big place, so cool. And now they are coming into the pickups.
So you know that they have a 300 collection of the
300.
vintage car, classic car. Wow.
And the collection is quite impressive. Collection is have 300 cars, and the oldest one is from 1908 and the newest one in 1970, so it's 50 years the youngest car. The collection is quite impressive. I never saw like this Chevy from 1928. Or this one. This is the cars what I only show in the movies, you know, like when I watch the Gas Monkey Garage, Richard Rawlings. Probably you never saw this video, but however, I really like this the TV show because he making cars like this one. And this is the first time in my life when I see like this, and for sure, I'm super excited about that. Let's come back to the collection. Much bigger than I was expecting all my life. It's really huge. this one is the oldest one, right? Yeah, this is the one of the first Fords. Check this out, this car, I don't know what the model is it, but it's bigger and taller than me, and this is like crazy, isn't it? This is so wide, I couldn't imagine to park this wherever in Bali, even in Europe. It will be difficult, but it's so cool. As you can see, the collection of the cars over here is really quite impressive. I wish I can spend more time here, but it's just amazing. We're gonna have a lunch. Check this out. Okay, me of course a sandwich, but Winnie got something cool.
Look, so this is the special menu actually here. So I have one crispy dog with this one special salad and fruits, and also special soup here. Wow! So
later I will show you guys around this restaurant because I sit next to the Bel Air, so that's so cool. This place is a for sure paradise for every car enthusiast, and it's like a dream garage. Okay, saying what is it? This is the old Chevrolet bus.
Yes. So actually this is the old bus, like when it was 1980 or 1970 something, when
Yeah.
my mom and my dad still teenagers and when they are still young. I remember that my mom and my dad has a one picture about this kind of, you know, bus. You can see that one?
Yeah.
Then Pasar to Klungkong, exactly when the time, like, you know, 1970, 1980 bus. Yeah, exactly. Wow.
So cool, isn't it? Really big piece of history
Yes.
in this place. And look at the roof, they are still the cages.
Yes. Yeah, and also, you know, that people put that stuff, you know, from shopping on the top of the roof. Chicken maybe on the roof, on the top of the roof.
Okay, here is the small collection of the Mercedes. To be honest, it's one model of Mercedes. Even I used to live in Poland and, you know, in Europe. I never saw in my life, so I'm very curious about that. Let's see.
One thing, the information that I got from this place, there is one car where the first president Sukarno wife, Ibu Fatmawati Sukarno, owned the car, right? So we will see how it
Which car is it?
is. She will show me.
Okay, let's see first the piece of history. I already can see probably from now.
Alright, you see this beautiful car. This car owned by Ibu Fatmawati Sukarno. She's the wife of Indonesian first president Insinyur Sukarno. So this is the car. Whew. Beautiful.
This is Plymouth, by the way, in
Yeah.
very nice condition, black. So nice.
So this is Ibu Fatmawati Sukarno's car.
The wife of the president of Indonesia, after first president of Indonesia after the independence.
Yes.
So this is actually a piece of history. And check this military cars over here. Check this one. they also have a collection of trucks. I will show you guys around. Sorry for the quality of the video, it's maybe a little bit shaky or something. I just want to show you like every my single vlog. This is that natural, how I see, I just showing you. I don't want to make it this video cinematography. For sure is you can find something somewhere. Just I want you to feel how happy I am to see that and watching with me. Let's start with this wee bad boy. That will be enough. That's all the cars what I saw, or almost all. I just want to tell you at the end, as most of the cars they are in the original shape. Not all of them they are refurbished. Just few of them they are actually refurbished. Most of them they are in original shape. Some of them they not driving anymore, but I believe some of them they are still driving, and so cool. Alright, so that will be enough for today.
Yes.
That's a very impressive collection of very old vintage cars, and to be honest I never saw in my life. I saw in the videos like, you know, Gas Monkey Garage or something when I was small kid. I watched a lot. Some of the Bel Airs and everything they are still driving in Cuba, if you know. However, in Europe or in the Bali, Indonesia, in Asia, it's very difficult to find. For me, it's the huge thumbs up, like huge, like this.
Yeah, but unluckily that we can talk to the owners because the owners still busy having meeting. But we will come again for sure. We will have lunch and talk with the owners. It's actually very close to our house, so it's not a really big deal. Anyway, thank you so much to the owners to showing us this place today. Yes. I'm so excited. Thank you, Pak Jos Darmawan.
Thank you so much, sir. And this will be enough for today's vlog. Like always, new vlog every day. So if you like the video, subscribe and see you tomorrow.